Folks, here's a quick video on how to change the oil on a 2024 Outback Limited XT. This is the turbo engine. As you can see here, it's got the turbo intercooler, and we have it up on ramps to do the oil change. Let's get to it. Go over the parts that we need. We'll need a 17mm socket. Make sure it's a 6-point and not a 12-point to remove the drain plug. We will need washers. Also keep in mind that these are not your cheap washers. I actually got this from the Subaru dealer. I got 10 of them. And if you notice that they are tapered on one side and flat on the other side. The flat side goes towards the screw. The taper side goes towards the drain pan. So not your flat on both side washers. So be careful when you buy these that they are flat on one side and tapered on the other side. We'll be going with the oil. I'm going with the Costco Kirkland brand OW20. Other people have used this and they've have no issues. And again, this is the fully synthetic OW20. And we will go with the oil filter. This is the one that's made in Japan. So here's a word on that to be concerned with. You can see right here, this one is installed by the dealer. It is a Subaru. It is made in Indonesia. Meanwhile, this is the one that comes from the factory. It's Subaru, but it's made in Japan. Look at the part number. It ends in 160. Meanwhile, that part number ends in 221A. Nothing wrong with it, except this one's made in Indonesia, and then the one that I got off of eBay, actually from a Subaru dealership, is made in Japan. I got about 8 of these for future oil changes. I plan on changing my oil every 5,000 miles. So we got the oil, we got the oil filter, and we also got the washer. And let me show you where the drain plug is. In the Subaru Outback, it's right here, and I've already taken the plug out, and then there's oil draining. It looks like it's coming out of a kidney, so the pan is actually a kidney-shaped part, and yeah, that's where the oil is coming out of. Now I'm going to see if I can get you a better look so you can see the rest of where the oil is coming out of. Yeah, right there, you can see it open. So that's how we do the oil change.